Okay, in this video we're going to differentiate each of these functions. So for number 1, I've got y equals 4x plus 2 to the power of 6. Now I don't think you want to expound out all 6 brackets. So I'm going to use the chain rule. We take the derivative of what's inside, which is 4, multiply it by the power you bring down, and take 1 from the power. So you'd end up with 24 4x plus 2 to 5. And you can check these using the longer method of finding dy by du and du by dx if you would like. You don't have to. So you want to ideally write them down in one foul swoop if you can. Right? So have a look at number 2. We've got y equals 2 minus 5x to the 7. So the derivative of what's inside comes outside, which is minus 5. Multiply by the power. And then we get 2 minus 5x to the power of 6. Tidy that up, we get minus 35, 2 minus 5x to the 6. And that's your answer to number 2. Let's have a look at number 3. We got y equals the third root of 6x minus 10. Well, actually I'm going to rewrite that as 6x take away 10 to the power of a third. And then differentiate that using the chain rule. So the power comes down and multiplies by the derivative of what's inside, which is 6. And then we do 6x, take away 10. A third minus 1 will give us minus 1/3. Yeah? Will be minus 2/3, is it? Minus 2/3. Yeah, that makes more sense. And then we've got a third times 6, which is 2. Lots of 6x, take away 10 to the minus 2/3. That's your answer to number 3. Alright, so have a look at number 4. We've got y equals 2 plus x to the 9. Now, to differentiate that using the chain rule, what I'd have to do is have to rewrite this function as a power, as such. So it's 2 lots of 1 over x to the 9. So that's 2 times x plus 9 to minus 1. So I have to differentiate that now, using how I did in number 1. So the derivative of what's inside, which is 1, multiplies with the 2 and the minus 1. So there's a lot going on there. And then we take the x plus 9 and we take 1 from the power, give us minus 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, times minus 1 equals minus 2, x plus 9 to the negative 2. And you could rewrite that as minus 2 over x plus 9 squared if you wanted to. That is how we can do number 4. Have a look at number 5 then. So number 5, we've got y equals 4 over divided by the square root of 2x squared plus 3x. So I'm going to have to rewrite that as 4 times 2x squared plus 3x to the minus a half. That's a lot. That's your indecision laws coming in handy there. So dy by dx, differentiate using the chain rule, of course. I'll put that on. Now the derivative of what's inside is 4x plus 3. It will multiply with a 4 and multiply with the power that it comes down. So that'll become minus 2. One sec. So it's minus 2 times that. And then multiplied by 2x squared plus 3x. Now that'll be minus 3 over 2, won't it? Could expand that out and get minus 8x minus 6 times 2x squared plus 3x to the minus 3 halves, if you would want to. And that's how we can differentiate using the chain rule.